Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. I just want to give you a quick preview of what is inside this amazing bundle. And this is one of my most favorite bundle products of the year, every single year for the last several years. And I think Ruthie said that this year might be her very last bundle event, which is really sad because this is again one of my most favorite events of the year because of the quality of the products and contributors that are always packed inside Ruthie's bundles. So let's jump right in and I will show you really quick what you will be getting, and so you don't want to miss out. Okay, this is the 4th annual Printable Publishers Roundtable and Bundle Sale. So you actually get to have products in addition to trainings and live events and roundtables. So what the roundtable is that is a group of experts in the fields, and they share with you their most successful business secret sauces that makes their business different than anybody else's, and it makes their business most profitable. So it's an awesome deal that you will be getting. I think you get it for free if you tune in live, and then the replays, which you get to keep forever, and you can watch it anytime after the event, is an extra bump, which is really not that much money if you think about how much it costs nowadays to even go out for dinner. It actually costs about the price of one dinner for one person. So to me, that's an amazing deal. In addition to the over $1,000 in values of products that you will be getting in this bundle, you get, I think, until May 31st to download all the products. So it's a lot of time, and then for you to download what you want and to see what you like. In my opinion, I don't see any products in here that isn't amazing. So most likely I will be downloading every single one of these products. I do have a product in here that I have contributed, and I will show you in the demonstration in my bonus on how to use my products in addition to any of the other products that are in here. So if you want to get that extra training, then please buy it through my link. If not, there are other sellers and affiliates out there that are also promoting this product. So just shop around and see what bonuses from other people or mine that you like better. But do pick up this bundle. You really don't want to miss out on all of these amazing high quality products from amazing creators, and also you get the training as well. So you only have a few days to buy this bundle, and then it will go away forever. And so you don't want to miss that window of opportunities. All right, so the link is below. You can check out the bundle and then see what you like and what you don't like. Most likely you're going to want to download most of these products, if not all of them. In my case, again, I said I don't have not one product in here that I see that is not of quality. Everything here looks high end. You would easily pay $27 to $37 per product, easy, and you're getting the entire bundle. I think it's over 40 products for one low price, in addition to the bump offer if you want to get the replays. But if not, you actually get to watch the sessions live for free. So I think it's amazing value. So pick it up while you still can. Don't think too much about it because you're gonna regret it if you don't pick this up. All right, so have a great day. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I hope to see you in my live workshop if you do decide to get it through my link. Have a great day.